So if you've been watching my product reviews, especially on furnitures, that when I'm assembling them, I'm using a drill. And for those of you who are ordering those furnitures, you just discovered that those furnitures are actually using hex screws. And they came with this. I don't like using this. These are so hard to hold on. It hurts my hand. It takes a long time to screw in those hex screws. And this one tends to wear out. You know, they tend to go round. And when that happens, then it's harder to use this tool. And this is what I'm using. The Molwark 20 pieces hex head Allen wrench drill bit set. That's a mouthful. But let me show you what's inside. First thing you're going to notice is that a well-fitted plastic case, and they're so confident with their product that they gave it a lifetime warranty. You'll just have to read through the warranty and make sure that you register within 60 days of purchase. What came with it are two sets of drill bits. One is a metric size drill bit, and the other one is a standard size drill bit. Here are your 10 pieces metric size drill bit, and here are the other 10 pieces of your standard size drill bit. And these drill bits are made of S2 steel alloy material. That means they are rust-proof and durable, and they fit on a standard impact drill or a standard drill. I actually had this drill bit set for a few months now, and not only I use them in my furniture, but also on other things around the house that uses hex screws. And not a single one of them have any sign of breaks and wear. One word of caution though when you're using a drill for hex screws. Make sure that you have good control on your drill, otherwise you will break those hex screws. Believe me, I've broken a few. So this is the Molwark 20 pieces hex head Allen wrench drill bit set. Thanks for watching.